In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from Bybit straight to your local bank account without the stress of P2P. For someone that earns in crypto, if I need money urgently before I'll start running to all this exchange to look for a vendor to do a P2P transaction with them, I will send them crypto and they will send me my local currency, which is Naira. But after watching this video to the end, you know how to withdraw your crypto straight to your local bank account without any middleman. So Bybit just introduced this new feature. I'm going to do a live transaction in this video, which I'm going to withdraw from Bybit straight to my money point. So make sure to watch to the end. I'm going to make it very simple, the way everybody will understand.
Once you log into your Bybit application, it's going to take you to this surface, this place that is showing home here. So once you click on the home, it's going to take you to this place. So once you are in this place, this is exactly what to do. You are going to see a drop down, this place that is showing more. Click on this more. So once you click on this more, you are going to see a lot of things here: deposit, buy crypto, P2P, fiat deposit. You are going to see a lot of things here. So let me not bore you with everything here. You are going to scroll down until you see this Bybit Pay, the one that near the card. This Bybit Pay, you are going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. I see welcome to Nigeria. Live like a local but with crypto. You can see it here. So this is exactly what you are going to do. You are going to see QR pay, you are going to see send, you are going to see receive, you are going to see referral, you are going to see a lot of things. You see this place that say more, you are going to click on this more again. So once you click on this more, you are going to see a lot of option here to send out money. So this place that is showing bank transfer, this particular one here, so you are going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to load for like a few seconds. So it's going to take you to this place. So this place, you are going to select the bank you want to use. So let me search for Money Point, because I want to use Money Point for this transfer. You see, Money Point Microfinance Bank. Then this place, you are going to paste the account number. So this is my Money Point account number. So once you are here, just click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to take you to this place. So
before we continue with the video, my name is Mr. CNS, and all I do on this channel is to look for legit ways you and I can use to earn online. If I try them out by myself, I come here and make videos about it. So if you are interested in videos like this and you want to keep seeing more amazing update from this channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post video, YouTube will show you before other people see it. And to join my Telegram channel, the link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So let's get back to the video.
You input any amount you want to send. So let me just use 50k as an example. So let me put 50,000. No, I think it's too much. Yeah, this is 50,000, right? So then you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to this place. So this 50,000 naira, they will deduct 38 USDT from my balance. So you just click on this confirm under it here. So once you click on confirm, it's going to take you to this place. You can see payment successful. So let's go to my Money Point. So this is my Money Point. I'm going to refresh. You can see this is a live this thing. So I'm going to click on this view here, so you can see. So let me click on this. So this is the 50,000 naira that was sent to my Money Point account. See, it does not delay, nothing like P2P or anything. You can see it here, and the money is in my this thing is in my Money Point. You can see it here. See, if you can see it, see the time, 9:36. This is 9:37. So you see, the thing does not even take up to 1 minute. So let me go to my Bybit. You can see the payment is successful. I forget to show you guys something. So the first method I use is for Nigerian. So if you are not Nigerian, you are going to use this second method. You come to your Bybit home page again. You click on this more. So once you click on more, it's going to take you to this place. Make sure to scroll down and click on Bybit Pay. So once you click on Bybit Pay, it's going to take you to this particular place. So once you come to this place, you are going to scroll down. Then you click this place that say payment application. You can see, click on more. Under payment application, you're going to see more. So once you click on more, you can see Latin America. If you are from America, you can use the payment method at the top, which is Pixpay, spell, phone transfer. You can see the three options at the top. But if you are from Africa, you can see you can either use bank transfer or you can use mobile money. Hope you understand. So if you are not from Nigeria, the first method might not work for you, so you try other payment method. Yes, so this video is just how you can transfer your USDT. If you have crypto, how you can convert crypto to your local currency without going through the stress of P2P, selling to somebody on the app and all of that. How to do it directly on your own. So this is exactly what this video is all about. If you are from Nigeria, you can use the bank transfer. If you're from other African country, you can use mobile money. And if you are from America or any other country, you can use the payment method at the top. So this is exactly how to do it. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. So converting your crypto to any currency and using it in your local currency should not be a big deal anymore. So once you have your crypto, you can send it to Bybit. So once you send it to Bybit, from Bybit here you can send it to any of your local bank accounts. Very easy, as I show you in this video.
Click anywhere around here to watch my other video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, to join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So I will see you in my next post.